Hi, everyone, and welcome to another Enzo Demo Bite. Today, we're going to be talking about AI and specifically message categories. Now, as you know, we have been working on our models for quite some time, obviously using OpenAI, and we've released different functionalities around sentiment analysis as well as predictive messaging, where we'll try and predict the response for you. We're constantly trying to improve some of these things, and we've kind of actually come through a pretty important breakthrough over the past couple of months, especially as the new models came out. And I want to show you one of the first steps that we started launching in your accounts that you may have seen so far, which is around message categorization. And what this allows me to do, what this allows you to do, is to start building out reports around the types of questions that guests are asking. What it also allows us to do as a company is it allows us to start looking at the accuracy of our predicted responses by category. And the reason why this is important is because right now there's a lot of hype around AI, a lot of new tools coming out, basically just embedding Chat GPT and becoming your chatbot. Now, we've heard some pretty interesting stories of how these perform, telling guests that, the check in, they'll be right there for their check in, don't worry. And turns out it's supposed to be a remote check in. We've heard different stories of guests getting completely wrong responses. So the idea of using AI can be daunting for many, and I completely understand that. I mean, the last thing we need to do as a tech company is ruin your reputation by sending the completely wrong information to a pissed off guest. And so I want to show you kind of this update around message categorization. In this section, we have a guest that we've sent our boarding pass to. We've sent the information that we need to. And they ask a question. Hi, do we send a picture of our driver's license on this chat or to the email listed? And we get a verification question. They send out the information. And then, great, thank you so much, etc., positive feedback. Now, this is one of many examples that we can run through. Not all of the messages will be categorized right away, but we can do this across the board. So I'm going to go ahead and click on another one here and see here we've got a guest that's asking again about the verification. Thanks. Is anything else needed? Verification question. Fantastic. Will I get an email with check-in information? Check-in, check-out questions. Now, this is a first baby step towards actually building out the first full chatbot capabilities in this industry. Again, it's all about maximizing the accuracy, not letting it hallucinate. That one time that it hallucinates can cause a lot of damage to your business. So we want to maximize the opportunities here by first categorizing all these messages, giving you the reports on the types of questions that are being asked the most so you can be proactive in your guest journey and your guest experience. And then over the next couple of weeks, you're going to see some new releases as to how this applies to being able to create more automations and increase the use of AI in your business. Thank you so much for listening to yet another Enzo Demo Bite, and super excited for the next stages.